Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we will discuss about hierarchies and drill down concept of Tableau. Now, what exactly is drill down and hierarchies? A hierarchy is a way of organizing data in a structured manner in a layered fashion where items are ranked or grouped based on their level of importance or relation to one another. For example, this one is the hierarchy of office designation. Here, the chairperson sits at the top of the hierarchy and the entry-level employees at the bottom of the hierarchy. Now let's go to the Tableau. Here, we have a data set called used cars and we have these columns. Let's create hierarchy with these two columns called company and the fuel type. To make a hierarchy, you need to drag and drop the selected column on the columns which you choose as a top level of the hierarchy. In our case, we choose company as the topmost position of the hierarchy. So just drag the fuel type on the company. Now Tableau is asking for a name of this hierarchy. Let's change it to fuel wise company details. Now click OK. Here company is positioned at the top level of the hierarchy and fuel type positioned below of the company. Hierarchy denotes by this sign. Now you can see hierarchy is showing on the dimension panel. Here we can see company wise total vehicles. Now let's expand by clicking the plus sign. Now we got the fuel type also. Now let's add city into this hierarchy. Here you can see now we are getting city wise information also. Here the hierarchy follows like this. The benefit of using hierarchy is you don't need to drag and drop columns again and again into your sheet. Now once we click on this negative sign, then this column will be hidden from the chart. This process is called drill down. Always remember that hierarchies strictly follows its sequence. Here in this hierarchy, you cannot hide the city because it is positioned at the top of the hierarchy. You can only hide lower positioned columns in this hierarchy. Also, you can change the position of the columns in the hierarchy by dragging up and down the column in the hierarchy dimension. This entire process of expanding or hiding the column in hierarchy is called drilling down. I hope this video has provided you with a solid understanding of the hierarchy and drill down in Tableau and how to make most out of it into the workspace. If you have any further question, feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tutorial. Thank you.